Okay, now that we have PHP and Apache installed and the web server is running, let's go ahead and do the last couple of steps we need to make PHP Storm work with Apache. So I'm going to go ahead and return to my PHP Storm, and I'm going to create a new project. And the location, I want to put this under my XAMPP htdocs folder. So I'm going to go XAMPP and then htdocs, and inside of htdocs I'm going to create a new folder for CIS 195P, and then in here I'm going to create a project named week 1. So this is going to be the final location, C XAMPP htdocs, then CIS 195P, then there's going to be a week 1 folder where my project lives. So, okay. And get a tip of the day. And here's my week 1 project that doesn't have anything in it. So let's go ahead and start by creating a new, right-click, new PHP file. And I'm going to call this main.php. I don't have to supply the PHP because the extension's there, so I'll just say main. And here's what I get to start. So I'll leave that the same. Now, this thing right here, this is a PHP opening tag, and everything that lives between here and a PHP closing tag is considered PHP. And I can embed PHP islands inside of HTML. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to create a PHP variable called name. So there's my name. So now I've declared a variable called name, $name, and I'm going to access it here. So I'm going to write just a line of text, hello, and then I'm going to start another PHP island, and I'm going to echo the value of $name. And then I'm going to close that island, and then more text. This automatically saves, so I should be able to go back to my browser. And then to access this, I'm going to go to my CIS 195P folder. And here's my week 1 folder. Here's main.php. And it says, hello Mark Goodman, welcome to CIS 195P. So if I look at the source for this page, as far as the browser is concerned, this is just text. All of the fancy stuff happens over on the web server side. This stuff here gets replaced by this value, and then that resulting text gets sent across. And this text can be anything. So I can make this a full web page by saying .type HTML, HTML, head, title, and then I'm going to move this HTML here to the end, and I'm going to put in a body tag, and we'll put that here, and then I'll put this inside of a paragraph tag. So now it's the same as before, except I've put in some HTML tags, and if I go ahead and reload, close that, reload, looks basically the same, but now it's an HTML document. And if I look at the source, this is just straight HTML. All of the PHP that I had in there was replaced by the web server before the HTML was sent across.